You can definitely create your own party invitation for your next event. It's easy, it's quick, it's pretty, and it's free. Keep watching. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Trixie, and in this channel I upload videos that talk about self-improvement, lifestyle, and just everything good vibes. Today it's going to be more of a good vibes DIY video because I'll be showing you how easy it is to create your own party invitations for different occasions like baby showers, birthdays. We even have a new normal for celebrating now, which includes Zoom virtual calls or birthday drive-by parades. So yeah, I'm going to show you some examples of how to create invitations for those. Okay, so we're in Google right now and we are going to go to one of my favorite apps or websites that's free, and that is canva.com. You've probably seen this in my past videos. So as I've said in my previous videos, Canva is free and it gives you a lot of options when it comes to templates and designs, and they're very specific on what you can use them for, like posters, social media. In social media they have it specifically for like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Oh, I'm not sure with TikTok, but they have it for YouTube, and yeah, it's really complete, honestly. And you see how pretty the designs are. Most of these are free. Okay, but for today, we are going to focus on creating our invitation. Let's start with the basics. First, let me show you how to get there. As you can see here, it says invitation already. It's in my recommended section because I've used it. But if you are going to search it, you just have to go to prints, click this one and scroll to the right a little bit, and here you will see invitation portrait. So this is size 5 by 7 inches, which is pretty standard for invitations. Once you're finished designing, you can easily have this printed out in those photo shops or print shops, or you can easily print it at home too. So yeah, we're gonna use 5 by 7. I wanted to show you the other size. Where is that? But yeah, you'll see another one that says invitation. Oh, there's a birthday card too. There's a wedding invitation, which is the same. It's also portrait in 5 by 7. Oh, here's the one. There's also a different size, which is 14 by 14 cm. Yeah, you can use this too, but if you want a standard size, I would go with the 5 by 7. And it'll show you this page where you can start designing. So again, everything that you need will be on this side, on the left right here. And here you will see all the templates that you can pick from. Most of them are free, so to know if it's free or not, you just have to hover over them and it'll show you here if it's free. See how you have so much to choose from? But if you want to be specific, because we are looking at all results here, if you want to be more specific, you can just hover up here. You'll see this is wedding invitation, birthday invitation, Christmas invitation. We'll go to birthday invitation for now. You can just click see all and everything will show up. So this will literally take you less than 5 minutes to do if you're just using the template and editing from there. It's such a no-brainer. Like, anyone can do this. Plus, it's free. So yeah, let's start by picking a template. You can pick this one or this one. Okay, so one catch here is that sometimes it says it's free, but when you go to the actual image, it will have the watermark in there for some parts of the invitation. Like this one, I'm not sure if you can see it clearly, but yeah, so which means that you'll have to replace this. So you kind of don't want to choose that if you're in a hurry. So let's pick another one that doesn't have watermarks at all. Like this one. See, it's all clear. It doesn't have any watermarks. For this one, you can just replace the details, save, and that's it. Let me show you how to replace the text. So what you're gonna do is just hover over the text that you want to replace and double click. Easy as 1, 2, 3, right? So if you want to change the name, maybe you want to change it to Darla. If you want to edit this one, again, just hover over it and double click. Let's say we want to change it to 2. There you go. If you want to change the date, again, just double click. Let's make this January 2021 at 5 p.m. You can also do the same for the venue. Let's say venue will be, maybe it's also a garden. Let's call it Diamond Garden. I'm just making up stuff. After you're done with that, just click out of it and that's it. Okay, so after you're done, if you want to change the file name, you just go to the left side and click on file. It automatically changes it to the first words that are on your invitation. If you want to edit it, you can. Let's put Darla's birthday invitation. So yeah, then just click out of it and then click on this arrow pointing down and click download. See, it's already preparing your design. When this pops up, you can just simply close and voila, you have it ready. You already have your first invitation. Okay, now let me show you how to not remove watermarks but replace the actual image with a free image. Okay, so as you can see, this image right here, there's two of them, one at the bottom and one on top. They have watermarks, these diamonds up here, which kind of doesn't look professional or doesn't look good when you give it out. I mean, for this one it's not too obvious, but still, you kind of don't want to send out invitations with watermarks in them. Okay, so all you gotta do is click that and click delete. So it leaves you a space here, and we can change it with a free photo. So on the left side, just click on photos. On the search bar, just put flowers if you want flowers. So we're gonna look for something similar as that. See, these are all rectangular ones. We kind of want something that's not rectangular, like this one. This one's pretty too, but it's pro, so we're not gonna do that. We can just use this one for now just to show you how to do it. So when you find the image that you like, just click on it and it automatically goes here. You just click and then drag it. There you go. Just make it a little bit, I think I'm just gonna put it on the side because it looks better. There you go. Make it a little bigger. There, I think it's pretty. After moving it, you can just simply click out and then do the same one for this one. So for this one, I think it's gonna look better if I kind of flip it. So let me see. If you want to do other things aside from resizing and cropping the image, you can do so from these tabs up here. So let's say you want to flip it. Here you go. I kind of want to flip it vertically, and there you go. Then just drag it. And there you go. If you want to edit the details, just double click on them and start editing. Let's say Trixie's 35th birthday. There you go. Another one done. Wasn't that easy and quick? Plus, it's free too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you did enjoy this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any good stuff. I can't wait for you to create your own invitation. Let me know in the comments below what you're celebrating soon. Again, thank you so much for watching, and together let's make happiness happen every day. Have a good one.